well, we know it's definitely not Scottish. That was shocking. All right, hen. So what I'd love for you to do, firstly, you know, like when I'm doing a sentence in a video where I've got like multiple different accents that I'm doing, my brain is just on fire. Like I literally can't even explain what it's like to go one accent after the other, right? But then if I do actually get the opportunity to speak in the accent for quite a while, it does make it a little bit easier because I'm just like, oh, you know, I'm just chatting now. So I hear that you don't like my Scots accent. Oops. I tend to do my Scots accent. I tend to kind of pick something that's kind of like in between Edinburgh and Glasgow, you know, so that it's kind of like right bang in the middle, like. But what I'd love is that if you could go to a website that I've made called the Accent Bank, which is for people who want to hear other people's accents, but also it's for me to learn your Scots accent. So it takes 3 minutes of your life. You basically go to the Accent Bank, you download the script, you read it, you grab your phone. You can either record your face or just not, you know, just put it on video and put it on the table, but just read the script. You upload it to me and then I listen to it and I learn it. So hopefully my Scots accent's a wee bit better than what it was in that video. But you know, I can take criticism. It's totally fine. I'm totally all right. No, I'm not. Please share your accent with me. Okay, take care. See you, bye.